Welcome! In front of me is an OPPO Reno 8T, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now before we get started, you will need to grab a SIM ejector, which should come provided with the device in the box. And once you have that, you can pop out the tray. Now if you can't find it, you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. So anyway, once you have one or the other, pop out the tray, which is located on the top left side of the phone, as you can see right over here. Push the pin in, and the tray comes out ever so slightly, enough for you to yank it out using your fingernail. And as you'll see, on the tray you have space for a SD card on one side, and on the bottom side you have space for two different SIM cards. From there, insert it into your device, and the cards should start working right away. So we already have reception. As you can see, there is a message, and I don't see any pop-up for the SD card, so I'm just going to simply navigate to Settings and Storage, if I have that here. And as you can see, there it is. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.